Welcome to this tutorial on Kotlin scripting. In this video, we'll explore how to use Kotlin as a script language. Kotlin isn't just for building applications, it can also be used for quick scripts and automation tasks. Let's dive in and discover the power of Kotlin scripting. Kotlin scripting allows you to execute Kotlin code directly without the need for prior compilation. Scripts are saved with a .kt's extension. This feature is perfect for rapid prototyping and automation tasks. Kotlin comes with built-in scripting engine support, making it easy to get started right away. Think of it as a faster way to run Kotlin code for quick tasks. Let's create our first Kotlin script. Save this file as hello.kts. Notice how we can directly write print line statements without wrapping them inside a main function. We can declare variables using val keyword just like regular Kotlin. String interpolation works exactly the same way. This script prints a greeting message and displays information about Kotlin. It's that simple to get started. There are multiple ways to run Kotlin scripts. You can use the kotlinc command with the -script flag followed by your script file name. A shorter alternative is using the Kotlin command directly with the script file. On Unix or Linux systems, you can make the script executable using chmod +x and then run it directly like a shell script. Choose the method that works best for your workflow. Let's understand the key differences between .kts script files and .kt standard files. Script files don't require a main function, and top-level statements execute directly. They are interpreted at runtime, making them ideal for quick prototyping. On the other hand, standard Kotlin files require a main entry point and follow a class-based structure. They are compiled to bytecode and used for production applications. Each has its own purpose depending on your needs. Kotlin scripts can contain functions just like regular Kotlin code. Here we define two functions, add and multiply, that perform basic arithmetic operations. We can call these functions and store their results in variables. Everything executes from top to bottom sequentially. This demonstrates that scripts aren't limited to simple statements. You can organize your code with functions for better structure and reusability. One powerful feature of Kotlin scripting is the ability to add external dependencies. Using the @file colon depends on annotation at the top of your script. You can include Maven libraries. In this example, we're adding the org.json library. Once declared, you can import and use classes from that library directly in your script. This makes it easy to leverage existing Java and Kotlin libraries without complex build configurations. Kotlin scripts have access to command line arguments through the args array. You can check if arguments were provided and iterate through them, using for each indexed. This allows you to create interactive scripts that respond to user input. Command line arguments make your scripts more flexible and reusable for different scenarios. Simply pass arguments when running your script from the terminal. Kotlin scripting shines in several practical scenarios. It's excellent for build automation and continuous integration, continuous delivery tasks. You can use it for data processing and analysis workflows. It's perfect for quick prototyping and testing ideas without setting up a full project. System administration scripts benefit from Kotlin's type safety and expressiveness. Whenever you need to automate repetitive tasks, Kotlin scripting is a great choice. Now you're ready to start scripting with Kotlin. Leverage Kotlin's powerful features for automation, prototyping, and rapid development. Whether you're processing data, automating tasks, or testing ideas, Kotlin scripting gives you the flexibility and speed you need. Try creating your own scripts and explore the possibilities. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit kotlinc.com for more such useful content.